This one mistake can cost you and your family your home. Hi, I'm attorney Paul Bernstein of the Bernstein Law Group. Are you aware that there's over 40 million lawsuits filed in the United States each and every year? And if you find yourself in the very unlucky position where someone is threatening to sue you, you really only have two arguments to defend yourself with. The first argument is, it's not my fault. If it can be proven that it is your fault, then the second argument you have is, things aren't as bad as you're saying they are. What you're suing me for isn't as bad as you're saying it is. Those are your two arguments. If you fail on both of those arguments, then you better hope that you have liability insurance in place to cover the lawsuit judgment that's going to be handed up against you from the jury and the judge. And if you don't have coverage for what you're being sued for, or the lawsuit is so large that it exceeds the limits of your insurance policy, then the person that successfully sued you will come after your assets, including your home. Now, in Massachusetts, you have, if you own a home, something known as the homestead protection. Now, this is where the mistake can be. If you rely on the default homestead protection, you only have protection of $125,000 of equity in your home. If your home has equity more than $125,000, that person that has successfully sued you can go and take the rest of your home's value. The mistake is not taking an important second step after you've purchased your home, and that is getting something known as a declaration of homestead filed at the Registry of Deeds. This one-page form, the minute you file it at the Registry of Deeds, increases that homestead protection from $125,000 to $500,000. That's the big mistake. Many people fail to have the declaration of homestead filed at the Registry of Deeds, at the same registry where their home deed is filed. It's a very simple document. You can check at the Registry of Deeds online for your county in Massachusetts to see if you have a declaration of homestead. It's a very easy search. You look for the search my home records and see if there's a homestead also recorded. And if you find that you don't have one, most registries right online have a homestead form you can download, fill out, then you file it at the Registry of Deeds along with a $35 registration or filing fee, and then now you have that increased homestead protection of $500,000 of added equity protection. Now, if you own the house with your spouse and you're both over the age of 62, there's actually an increased amount of homestead protection. That increased amount effectively doubles the $500,000 to $1 million. So really important that you don't make this mistake. Check with the Registry of Deeds, see if you have a homestead filed. If it was never filed, then make sure you go and get it filed. Simple process. Don't make this mistake. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at the Bernstein Law Group. If you have asset protection or estate planning concerns, we're here to help you. Thank you.